Welcome to our video all about bats. Bats are one of the most fascinating and often misunderstood creatures in the animal kingdom. They have been shrouded in myths and superstitions for centuries, but the truth is that bats are incredibly important and fascinating animals that play a vital role in our ecosystems. First of all, did you know that bats are the only mammals capable of true flight? That's right, while other mammals like flying squirrels and gliders can glide through the air, bats are the only ones that can truly fly. And they're pretty good at it too. Some species of bats can fly at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. Another fun fact about bats is that they come in a wide variety of shapes and sizes. The smallest bat in the world is the bumblebee bat, which is only about the size of a thumb, while the largest bat is the Malayan flying fox, which has a wingspan of up to 6 feet. But perhaps one of the most interesting things about bats is their diet. While many people think of bats as being blood-sucking vampires, the truth is that most bats actually feed on insects, fruit, and nectar. In fact, some species of bats are incredibly important pollinators for many plants and trees. In addition, some species of bats are also known to feed on small animals like fish and frogs. One of the most important roles that bats play in our ecosystems is as pest control. Bats can eat up to 1,000 insects per hour, which means that they are incredibly effective at controlling the populations of mosquitoes, beetles, and other pests. In fact, it is estimated that bats save farmers billions of dollars each year by controlling pest populations. Additionally, bats have a unique way of navigation and hunting. They use a process called echolocation. They emit high-pitched sounds that bounce off objects in the environment, and by listening to the echoes, bats can determine the location, size, and distance of objects in their path. This allows them to navigate in complete darkness and find their prey with incredible accuracy. Bats are also incredibly social animals, with many species living in large colonies. Some colonies can have up to 20 million bats. They communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations and other forms of communication, such as chemical signals and body language. Another interesting fact about bats is their lifespan. Some species of bats can live for up to 30 years, which is quite long for a mammal of their size. They also have a unique reproductive strategy, where females store sperm during the mating season, and then use it to fertilize their eggs in the spring. This allows them to delay pregnancy until conditions are favorable for raising young. Lastly, it's worth mentioning that there are over 1,400 species of bats in the world, making up about 20% of all mammal species. Bats are important and fascinating creatures, and it is important for us to protect and conserve them for the sake of our ecosystems and future generations. In conclusion, bats are amazing and important animals that play a vital role in our ecosystems. So next time you see a bat, remember that they are not to be feared, but rather appreciated and protected. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.